In today's world, we have the so-called informative communication, whereby the purpose of that is for the communicator to share information online. Sometimes they call this as through posting or blogging. Another purpose of the sharer of information is to just inform anybody who is interested to receive the message without the intention of changing the behavior of the receiver. Yet, in this methodology, we could reduce the ignorance as well, or even eliminated such thing to the mindsets of the people. Sometimes those who knew less information about a topic or an idea or a situational cases may cling to what they heard first. But through gaining more knowledge or information from different authoritative figures are more reliable and justifiable by getting the factuality of things. So that is why it would increase more your awareness of the information of anything. So consider this as a form of guidelines.